The creators of AnyDust set out to raise $20,000, but they ended up with 10 times that amount. That's how much people wanted this product, and it's easy to see why. AnyDust is the world's first dust extractor that doesn't need filter replacements or maintenance. Air currents swirl cleverly inside, causing debris to stick to the walls and fall into two separate containers, one for larger and one for finer waste. Cleanup now takes just minutes, leaving you extra time to play with the mobile app that controls the system. The price starts at $2,200. This tool is a favorite among arborists, since it's great for transplanting trees. Using compressed air, it removes soil without harming even the thinnest roots. You won't need a shovel anymore, and it's not just precise, but also fast. In 10 minutes, it clears half a cubic meter of soil as if by magic. It's called Air Spade 5000 and sells for $1,630. If you're into cycling, give this video a like. Here's a rechargeable Bosch pressure washer. It's compact, easy to carry with one hand, offers 4 spray patterns, and has 8 pressure settings with a maximum of 20 bar. In other words, when used correctly, you won't have to worry about damaging sensitive bike components or accidentally washing off grease. On top of that, it's great for rinsing your gear or even doing the dishes at camp. A level of versatility that's hard to beat. The washer is priced at $229. The rechargeable Grabo high-flow suction cup combines lightweight with impressive strength. It weighs about 3 kilograms, but can lift up to 100 kilograms. That kind of performance earns respect for the Grabo engineers and justifies its hefty price of $600. A bonus feature is the ability to display pressure in either PSI or bar. On the downside, the battery life is only about half an hour. Concrete, screed, filler, even liquid plastic, nothing is a problem for the Colomix XQ series mixers. They deliver excellent results, even in the hands of a beginner. The secret lies in a system that reduces speed control and mixing time to a single button. The most powerful model, the Colomix XQ6, has a capacity of 90 liters and costs $893. 7 times faster than a brush. You can paint a 2.4 by 3 meter wall in just 10 minutes. The makers of the Flexio 1500 sprayer clearly know how to win over customers. And speed isn't the only selling point. The sprayer is suitable for both indoor and outdoor work. It can handle primers and some stains, and it's 20% lighter than earlier versions. Thanks to the lock-and-go system, it's also easy to take apart for cleaning. The sprayer costs $140, and for anyone planning to paint something big like a fence, the included Wagner eye spray nozzle will be a pleasant surprise. K1 is like a superhero among vices. It impresses not only for its unusual design featuring multiple contact points, but also with its ability to stop automatically thanks to a pressure sensor. The system works so well that you can even trust it to hold glass objects, and if you don't want to rely on automation, you can always control the jaws manually. For cases where the jaws need to be spread apart for a more secure hold, it comes with special rubberized inserts that provide extra stability. Also useful is the built-in bubble level. The device runs on a built-in 10,000 mAh battery. Finally, it's worth noting that the most basic version of the K1, the aluminium model with a working range of 55mm, sells for $179. To make the installation of hybrid and epoxy adhesive anchors go smoothly, Hilti offers this rechargeable adhesive dispenser. It saves not only time but also material, since it remembers how much to apply when you pull the trigger, and lights up green once the injection is complete. On top of that, the Hilti Volume Calculator app gives professionals dosing recommendations. Another nice touch is that the dispenser also works with Hilti's fire-resistant foam. What a handy tool! The price is $309. Pro 40 Add ATEX is quite an interesting drill. First, it's lightweight at just 15 kilograms. Second, it's compact. And third, it's pneumatic. That mix makes it a great choice for confined, explosion-prone areas such as drilling platforms. What can it do? It works with core bits up to 40mm in diameter and with twist bits up to 16mm in diameter. The machine's secured with a strong magnet, while a mechanical fuse prevents accidental motor startup. The price of the Pro 40 Add ATEX is available on request. Bulltech Power is set to lead a new stage in the development of power tools, according to its creators. So, what makes it special? One of its biggest advantages is a 24-volt electric motor that makes the Bulltech Power twice as powerful as most similar portable tools on the market. Versatility is another focus. Bulltech Power drills, cuts, polishes, and saws. In short, it replaces several tools at once, and it does all this while staying compact, weighing just 475 grams, with a battery that lasts up to 3 hours. Bulltech Power is available for $79. This accessory with the long-named Simpson Strong Tie Quick Drive Project Pro saves a considerable amount of work time. It fits most cordless drills and drivers and lets you use collated fasteners. Why does that matter? The manufacturers claim it lets you drive screws up to 4 times faster. Just imagine how much time you could save laying down a subfloor, for instance. On top of that, it's easy to use even for inexperienced workers. The price is $110. This impressive machine combines industrial power with ease of use, even in a workshop setting. The X-Tool metal fab can laser cut, engrave, and even remove rust. One of the secrets behind its performance is the 800 or 1200 watt laser beam that cuts through 10mm fit carbon steel and welds pieces up to 5mm thick in a single pass. Prices start at $5,000. The Wolf Green Cut is a must-have for floor installers, especially for trimming seams and edges of linoleum. It comes with a generous set of accessories, including 10 trapezoidal blades and 10 hook blades. It's comfortable for left-handed users and made entirely of metal. The manufacturer describes it as a true professional solution, and given all these advantages, its price of $22 is surprisingly low. Our selection continues with a cordless hitch router from Festool. This tool stands out for its slim body, excellent balance, and relatively light weight of just 1.3 kilograms. However, despite these characteristics, this router is not a toy. It's ready to compete with more serious corded routers. The depth adjustment mechanism offers a precision of 0.1 millimeters, and the bits can be changed in seconds thanks to the spindle lock. The maximum bit diameter is 28mm. It's also worth mentioning the transparent guard with a spring-loaded brake, which means no more thermal damage. Naturally, all these features come with a higher price tag. This Ryobi tool is designed to clear blockages in pipes up to 5 cm in diameter and 7.6 meters long. No more calling the plumber. It feeds and retracts the cable in both manual and automatic modes, and comes with a built-in light for convenience. The price is $89.